Good morning. Please have a seat. Good morning. Thank you. Can you tell me about yourself? Sure. My name is Marco Fuentes. I study computer science. I am responsible, organized, and I work well in teams. Why do you want to work here? Mm, Because I like your company. I want to learn more and grow professional. What are your strengths? I am very dedicated and I learn fast. I have your in different projects and I like to solve problems. What is your greatest illness? Mm, my illness is that I want everything to be perfect, but I'll learning to manage my time better. Do you have any question for me? Yes. What are the opportunity to grow is this company? There are many. We help our employees grow and develop new skills. That great. Thank you very much. Thank you. We'll be in contact. Have a nice day. You too.